too.
We're here with Joe. Joe, you want to say hi?
Hi.
We have a great story to tell, for a great chiropractic story to tell. Joe came in last week, and one of the conditions was having seizures.
Yeah.
Describe the seizures before you came in. How long was she having them for? How often?
They were under a minute long, and she would have multiple a day, probably 20 or so a day, and she would stare off during them and completely lose consciousness.
And then they were diagnosed as petite mal.
Yeah.
Dad, I remember you said she was having at least one a day.
Yeah, she had Lyme's disease, and then they came on during the course of us treating Lyme, and so probably a month or so before that.
Then we did an adjustment last week, and what were the results?
She was seizure-free for 5 days until tiredness came in, so a complete change in everything. And they were way less. The one she had was less. It wasn't as long or intense.
Okay, good. So that was only after one adjustment. So Joe, that means we're in the right place and we're doing the right things. We should see more of the same result. We should see you get even better and have even less seizures.
Yay.
All right, so let's do an adjustment. Is there anything that you want to tell me about your spine today? How does your spine feel?
Good. Really want to do a back bend.
You want to do a back bend? Okay. It's always better to do a back bend after an adjustment or some stretching. But what did you say to your dad earlier?
Oh yeah, what are you excited about?
To get cracked.
To get cracked.
All right, cool. All right, so let's do that. Are you ready? Okay, so go ahead and lay down on your belly. We'll start off face down.
I cracked my big toe.
Hey now. It's not just me. This is a team effort. It's your toe too. All right, I'm gonna center you on the table. Okay, Joe? Good. We're gonna bring your hips up just a little bit. Your spine over just a little bit. Good. What kind of swimming were you doing this weekend?
I was swimming underwater a lot.
Just like at a friend's pool, or were you taking lessons? Were you in a competition?
I was at a friend's pool.
Cool.
Ouch.
Which side? Was it this left side here?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, what about that one there? Is that one tender too?
Yes.
Ticklish or tender?
Ticklish.
Good. Okay, I'm going to push down into your hips now, okay? Do you have any pain, discomfort? Does that hurt right there?
No.
Left side, any pain?
A little bit.
Sure. Okay, I'm going to bend your knees now, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, one more time. Just let me do it. Just let me do it. Don't help. Good. Okay, I'm going to put the blocks underneath of your hips. Like this. Did I do the blocks last time?
No.
I didn't. Do the left side here. Good, down. Okay. This might be ticklish. We're going to do it very gentle.
Ticklish.
Ticklish.
Ah!
Good job. You're doing good.
Ah! Ah! So ticklish.
I'm going to lower your head down just a little bit, Joe. It's okay. You're allowed to be ticklish. You're allowed to laugh. You're allowed to move. It's a lot. This machine is intense for adults.
His legs down.
See, isn't this better than the dentist?
Yeah. My body's all tingly.
Good. This is exactly perfect. That tingling is called proprioception. So proprioception is your body's awareness of itself. It's kind of like a sense, like smelling and seeing and tasting. Like for example, right now, do you know, is your palm face down or faced up?
It's face down.
Yeah, there you go. How did you know that? You weren't looking at it.
I felt it like this.
That's right, you felt it. And that's how you correct and improve your posture too. And sitting up straight is all about proprioception. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start in the middle. We're gonna do super gentle at first. Let's just make sure that you remember how to do this. Let's practice one first. You're gonna take a deep breath in and out through your mouth. I'm gonna follow your breath down like this, and then at the end of your breath, we do a little push like that, okay? Okay, good job, Joe. Go ahead, let's start with this one here. Deep breath in and out. Good, sinking in, let your back sink. How's that?
It felt good.
That's good. We'll come back down to that.
Ouch.
Yeah, I know, this is that spot. This is gamer tension right here. Okay, ready? We're gonna take care of that right now though. Okay, gentle, go ahead and do the same thing. Deep breath in through your nose, out. Shoulders sinking in. Oh, yes. How's that?
Felt good.
And what you're gonna do is cross your fingers like this behind your neck. Good, elbows in, slouch down. Now, you're gonna take a deep breath in, and then as you breathe out, we're gonna lean back like this, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's do that. Deep breath in, lean back, breathe, good.
It felt good.
That one was awesome. Good, just like this, just like this. All right, so this is how we adjust the low back down here, your tailbone, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna stretch your shoulders up like this and your hips down like this, a little bit of a twisty here, just like a pretzel, and then we're gonna push like that, just like the other adjustments. I'm gonna do it soft. All right, so turn your head so you're facing straight that way, and then take a deep breath in, and out. And good. Shoulders relax, let the whole thing come down. Ooh. Then your back.
That felt good.
Isn't that better? Good, we're gonna bring your hip down. Good, a little bit more.
That one felt even better.
That sounded like a good one.
You should get a back crack, Dad.
Yeah, Dad, it's just not good. Listen to your daughter. Most of the time I don't bring my camera in on the weekdays. But your story was so incredible that I had to share it.
Yeah, I was so happy.
I cried after I left, and we put her to bed, and she didn't have a seizure that day. I was like, oh.
Yeah.
my
You
God.
guys need to, before you say these awesome things,
Yeah, she was the one that jumped on the bandwagon first, but it took me a day or two.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, tears of
2-3
gratitude.
days in, I'm like, all right, well, that's making a believer. So, and then we started seeing more, and I'm thinking, well, could be she needed a crack again. So, because if it wasn't one thing, dude, she freaking went through Lyme's.
Yeah.
Now she's dealing with this.
Yeah.
She's only 8.
Okay, first, before I adjust you, we'll talk about it and we'll practice just like the other ones. Let's just feel first what's happening in your neck. Okay, nice, gentle breathing. Let's warm up your muscles a little bit here, Joe. I'm just gonna do a little bit of a traction. We'll just do this traction massage to help loosen up your neck. Nice gentle breathing. Left or right? Which side?
Right.
Alright, you're ready to get your neck adjusted. Nice and gentle. Okay, I'm gonna bring your head over to like right about here. Then from here, we're just gonna very gently push in that direction like that, okay? Okay, you can close your eyes. You don't have to look at anything right now. Wait. Didn't you say you wanted to keep them open last time? Is that you? You're like, I'm keeping them
I'm
open.
gonna watch. That's what she said.
Never watch. Okay, you can keep them open and closed, whatever you want. Okay. Gentle. Take a deep breath in. Good. And out.
That will feel good.
You look like you're waking up every time you're done. It's like, rise and shine.
I'm blissed out.
Yeah.
Nice and gentle breathing, sinking in, just testing the segments here. Good. Loosey goose.
There she goes. Yeah, but usually she knows.
Ready?
Except my toes.
Uh-huh.
This is like,
Yay.
I don't know. Thing, so it's not this.
Your faces are great. Ah, it's right there. That was okay, right? Didn't hurt, right?
No.
Ah,
That's the
again,
one.
it's the same thing. The right big toe.
She's way improved, like dramatically. She has the light back.